here we have our Fiat 500. This is a model that we're now going to be building. It's a perfect city car. You can order this in any colour that you want, and we can basically make it to order any colour, any model that you wish to have. This car's got our modified LED headlights on the front of it, and we've done lots of things down the sides, like had the wheels powder coated and some beautification on there as well. This car's got our 20 kilowatt hour battery pack in it. That gives it a range of about 100 miles. So it's a perfect little city car. It can keep up with modern traffic easily, so you can go motorway speeds in it. It's nice and nippy, really nimble, good turning circles, so perfect for parking. So it's an absolutely fantastic city car. We have a fully bespoke interior. All the upholstery is done by us, custom floor mats, and it's all got an oak dash and oak trim inside as well. We've also got our speaker in here, which is a Bluetooth speaker, so you can hook your sound system to it. If you'd like to order this car or any other car from us, that we can build these in any colour that you want, any spec that you want. This particular model is going to be £50,000 plus the VAT. If you wanted to speak to us about any other car that you wanted us to build, please give us a call, or again visit our website relik-ev.com.